How to fix you can't use this feature right now issue on Facebook, on iPhone and Android. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue of you can't use this feature right now on Facebook. Right now, I'm using iOS device. However, if you're using Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to head over to your App Store and then you're going to click on the search icon here at the bottom right. So once you click on that, you're going to head over to the search bar and type Facebook. So this issue might come if your Facebook application is not up to date. So what you're going to do is click on Facebook and then you're going to click on update. If your Facebook application is not updated, you'll be able to see an option of update over here. So you can simply click on that option and after that your Facebook will get updated and then simply you can click on open. And you can enjoy using the updated version of Facebook with that particular issue fixed. However, if the issue is still there, then the problem might be in your cache memory. So in order to remove that, you can head over to your settings, click on general and then you're going to click on iPhone storage. Now over here you're going to search for the Facebook application and then you can either offload app, and if you're using Android you can click on clear cache. So offloading application will free up storage used by the application but keep its document and data. Reinstalling the application will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. And after doing so, you'll be able to see that issue of you can't use this feature right now on Facebook will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.